a super exciting Children's Day video. Today we're going to explore why we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th. And what we do on this day. It's like our own special holiday party. Yay! Clap, 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 clap! Thumbs up! First thing first. Why number 14? Well, it's a super special day because it's the birthday of a very nice uncle we call Chacha Nehru. He was not just any uncle. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Can you believe it? So Children's Day is like a big birthday celebration for him. And all of us get to join in the fun. Now, let me tell you a school story about Little Teacher Jahnavi. Once upon a time, when he was like a tiny tot like us, he saw some friends being sad. Their ball got stuck in a tree trunk. Their note could not reach it. Oh no! You know what our little Chacha Nehru did? He had a clever idea. He poured some water on the tree trunk. And guess what happened? The ball came up with water. Yay! Chacha Nehru was a wonderful person who loved helping kids. Just like her parents and teachers help us, and also our friends help us, like cleaning and like picking toys and keep it in the basket. Why we celebrate Children's Day to remember him and have lots of fun together. Now let's talk about how we can have a super duper Children's Day at our school. Firstly, let us have a dressing parade. Wear your favorite dress or brighter colorful like pink or purple or blue. It's like a magical parade where everyone looks amazing. Next, let us have a yummy picnic. Bring your favorite snacks, chips or sandwich, anything you like. Strawberries or chocolates, anything you like. We can all sit together and enjoy the feast, sharing food and laugh with friends. It's the best. Then we can have a drawing and coloring party. Grab your crayons and let your imagination go wild. Our own little world of colors and happiness. Lastly, let's end our day with a special concert. We can sing our favorite songs, dance like crazy, and enjoy being like a rock stars. Children's Day at school, filled with laughter and friends and all things fun. Remember, today's all about us, the awesome kids. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.